In this video, I want to show you how you can delete your account on eToro. Now keep in mind, before deleting your account, you should close all of your positions as well as withdrawing any funds that you have on your account, because when you close it, those will be gone. So make sure that you do that. Make sure there is nothing on your account that you don't want to lose. So just keep that in mind. Now if you want to delete it, head over to settings right here. Go to the account, and I'm not going to click on this because then you can see all of my personal info. But under account, if you scroll down, there will be a little button at the bottom, which is called close your account or delete your account. If you click on this, you just have to follow a few steps, and they will then close your account down for you. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.